what are you eating?
Edamame.
Do you like edamame? Why do you like it?
And yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Good morning from Big Island.
Chloe, where's your shotgun?
Yeah, okay.
Still working on it.
Yeah, we don't even know where to start. This week has been amazing. Definitely crossed off a lot of things on the bucket list for us. Starting with
Dolphins.
Dolphins. So once we got to the Big Island, looked up excursions, see what was popular here to do. It was Charles's first time here. First time for the kids as well. And one of the main things was dolphin swimming. And I thought, you know what? There's no age limit. We're doing it. And so we went out on an early Wednesday morning and went out to the ocean and swam with some dolphins.
kids. What are we doing today?
Go see dolphin. Yeah, go see dolphins and
We're gonna swim with the dolphins, hopefully.
Is it pretty early right now?
Yeah. It's right now 6:28.
Rain.
I'm gonna be late.
6:28. Oh, how many dolphins did you see?
I think I saw 300.
300 now.
I don't know about that many.
Probably a pocket of dolphins.
And I was brave jumping into the ocean myself because Cohen was freaking out.
Cohen started freaking out and Caitlin just went for it, jumped into the water and swam next to Daddy. It was probably their first time swimming in open waters, so very proud of them.
And then we went to check out some volcanoes.
And then Mama
Not yet, but we went to check out some volcanoes. And then shortly after we got back from the visit, the volcano erupted. So we have to go back and visit again.
So they eventually evacuated the park when Highway 11 got down to one lane. These radial cracks extended all the way to Highway 11.
I don't know if you can see from the video, it's all rain, misty rain. We're improvising, huh?
No, I'm trying to. Oh, look at Bubba.
Walk into the volcano in the dark. So cold. It's rainy. Because lava is very bright. Turn the sky very orange. Fortunately, we couldn't see too much because I guess the view doesn't allow us to see it from the bird's eye view. But still, seeing the sky turn completely orange and red at night and seeing the smoke is definitely a lifetime bucket list thing to do.
Yeah, and the kids were also troopers too because it was cold and rainy, and they also had to walk almost a mile in from where we parked to get to the rim that they allowed us to go to. Yeah, hopefully these two will remember this experience because it's not one that happens often.
It's amazing.
And when we were there, I wore towels and then some heat, and then the heat warmed us up.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I went pee.
Okay.
Okay. That's great.
And then I went pee.
Okay. And then what did you do yesterday,
I
Kaylin?
saw manta rays at night, 7 o'clock.
Yep. So Daddy and Caitlin went manta ray snorkeling last night.
Daddy?
That's a daddy date?
Yeah, they went out on the boat and floated around in the dark waters and saw lots of manta rays. Caitlin was a trooper and apparently stuck her head in the water the entire time.
Because I get to breathe underwater.
You have to all snorkeling gear.
Kaylin, you look so ready. Are you gonna go see some manta ray? Did you pray about it? We're gonna see some? We better see some, right? Alright. There's all these 15 boats. I am so proud of Kaylin this entire trip. zero fear, willing to try new things, particularly manta ray. She's the youngest by far, but she was in the water longer than I have. Saw more manta ray than most people out there. So incredibly proud of you, girl. Pretty much wrap up our time here in Hawaii. So we just try to squeeze in as much of the experiences and the time here in Hawaii by visiting other spots on the island.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
And we're excited for our next destination. Till next time, we'll see you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.